Hi, I'm Jess, the music therapist from the Southwest Shakopee and Minneapolis teams. And I thought I'd share this song with you today as I feel like it brings a lot of hope in a time when we are all not sure of what to expect that is to come. But it's Have You Ever Seen the Rain by Creedence. Someone told me long ago there's a calm before the storm, and I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day, and I know shining down like water. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hot, and I know been that way for all my time, till forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow, and I know it can't stop. I wonder, I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day?